Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka Dadwal and I hope you all are doing great. So this time once again we planned a trip to Ekta Nagar to visit the Statue of Unity and explore some nearby attractions which I'll be sharing with you in my next video. But in today's video I'm going to take you along and share my stay experience at Villa Euphoria Resort, which is located very close to the Statue of Unity. We stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days, and trust me, this stay was truly relaxing and memorable. So without wasting any time, come, let's get started. First of all, let me talk about the best part of this resort, its strategic location. Villa Euphoria Resort is just 7 kilometers away from the Statue of Unity and hardly 5 kilometers away from the railway station, which makes it extremely convenient for travelers. Whether you are coming with friends, family, or even as a couple, reaching here is completely hassle-free. Now let me tell you about the welcome experience because that's where my heart truly melted. As soon as we entered the resort, we were welcomed in a very traditional way. They applied a tilak on our forehead, and right after that, a refreshing mocktail was served. After completing the check-in process at the reception, the staff handed over the room keys. But honestly, the most beautiful surprise was yet to come. As we stepped out of the reception area and walked towards our room, we were greeted with a flower shower, which is a tradition they follow for every guest staying here. I was genuinely overwhelmed by this thoughtful gesture. It instantly made us feel special and welcomed. The moment I entered the property, the scenic beauty all around completely stole my heart. Lush greenery, open spaces, calm surroundings and fresh air. Everything together created such a peaceful vibe. For the first day, we stayed in their premium room, which is located near the pool. The room size is approximately 240 square meters and comes with a beautiful garden view. The room is well equipped with all the basic amenities you need for a comfortable stay. It's cozy, neat and perfect for families. So after freshening up, we headed straight to the game zone. We played a few indoor games like snooker and carom, which was quite fun, especially as a family activity. After that, it was time for some family pool time. And let me tell you, the pool setting here is absolutely beautiful. The swimming pool is located right next to the garden, surrounded by greenery and open views. As you relax in the pool, you are treated with scenic garden views and a calm atmosphere. The combination of water, greenery and fresh air makes it a perfect spot to unwind and relax. Post pool time, we had lunch at their in-house restaurant called Eden Restaurant. As you can see, the restaurant is quite spacious and can easily accommodate around 50 to 70 people at a time, which makes it ideal for hosting parties, family gatherings or even group events. This elegant multi-cuisine restaurant beautifully blends global flavors with regional charm, offering a thoughtfully curated menu for every palate. The food here is delicious and the ambience is clean, well-maintained and welcoming, making every meal a pleasant experience. After lunch, we quickly got ready and headed out to visit the Statue of Unity. I'll be sharing a detailed tour of the Statue of Unity and other nearby attractions in my upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. For now, we will focus only on the staycation experience at Villa Euphoria Resort. We returned to the resort at around 9 pm. And since we already had done a lot of munching near the Statue of Unity, we decided to have a light dinner in our room itself and called it an early night. The next morning, we started our day with a wholesome buffet breakfast. The breakfast spread here had a variety of options from Indian to American breakfast, catering to all taste preferences. After breakfast, I decided to explore the other room categories available at the resort. So first, let me show you the mountain view room. This room is almost similar to the premium room available on the ground floor where we stayed on our first day, but it's slightly bigger with a room size of approximately 280 square meters. The highlight of this room is the stunning views of the surrounding hills and landscapes, which makes it a truly special room. The mountain facing views from this room are absolutely breathtaking, especially during sunrise and sunset. So after that, I went to check out my room on the base level, that is the Euphoria Premium room. And see, this is how beautifully neat and clean it looked after the morning cleaning done by the housekeeping staff. Next, I visited their Euphoria suite, and honestly, I instantly fell in love with it. This suite is a cozy yet luxurious retreat, perfect for couples or even solo travelers looking for a refined and peaceful escape. The suite has 2 rooms and is available on the base level, offering easy access to the garden and pool. The total size of the suite is approximately 600 square meters, including the bathroom. The soothing greenery around, calm environment and garden access make this area feel like a refreshing little oasis. I love this room so much that I decided to stay here for one night. So we shifted our luggage to this suite and spent the night here. Among all the room categories, the mountain view room and the suite room became my absolute favorites. They are spacious, elegant, and offer the most calming views right from the window. Later that day, we stepped out of the resort to explore some nearby attractions, and we returned back around 10 p.m. after a long but fulfilling day. The next morning was extra special because the hotel had arranged a special breakfast set up near the pool inside the gazebo. Having breakfast surrounded by nature with pool views and greenery all around was such a refreshing experience. After breakfast, we completed the checkout process and headed back to Ahmedabad. So yes, this was all about my stay experience at Villa Euphoria Resort near the Statue of Unity. Overall, I would say this place truly lives up to its name. Peaceful, scenic and beautifully designed for a relaxing getaway. This place is perfect if you are looking to disconnect from the city chaos and spend quality time with nature. Villa Euphoria Resort offers the perfect blend of nature, comfort and warm hospitality, and I would highly recommend it to anyone planning a stay near the Statue of Unity. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such helpful travel and stay recommendations. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, it's me Priyanka Dadwal saying ciao for now. Bye.